Fantastic. Now, the Indian film industry has earned a great admiration and loyalty from people not only in India, but also worldwide. And to immortalize this legacy, UTV Stars, the official channel of Bollywood, has launched the iconic UTV Walk of the Stars, UTV Stars Walk of the Stars. Now, this, of course, is a very unique opportunity of bringing fans and well-wishers and people who've loved these actors and stars for ages together, a little closer to them, and to perhaps honor and immortalize the legacy of a star who's contributed immensely towards the Indian film cinema. Now, today, of course, we're here to honor the legacy of such a man, a stalwart of Indian cinema. Today, we are gathered here to honor and immortalize the contribution of a stalwart, an actor, a producer, a director who successfully has balanced a career in commercial and art house cinema, international cinema, and, of course, theatre. Mr. Shashi Kapoor has had a wonderfully unique and enviable career. His body of work include memorable performances in films like Waqt, Satyam Shivam Sundaram, Kabhi Kabhi, Junoon, Kalyug, Silsila, and many of his performances were honored with prestigious awards. He won the National Award for the Best Actor in 1986 for his astute and very, very sensitive performance of a newspaper editor in Romesh Sharma's and Gulzar's New Delhi Times. Now, here is where his character braves a risk of his life to expose corrupt likes where between politics and the politicians and the media. And of course, who can forget his turn as the Inspector Ravi Verma in Yash Chopra's Diwar, in which he famously intoned Mere Paas Maa Hai. And of course, he walked away with the Filmfare for the Best Supporting Actor. He also had a very productive and a creative association with the Merchant Ivory Productions, for which he went on to star in much acclaimed films such as The Householder, Shakespeare Wala, The Bombay Talkies, Heat and Dust, and The Side Streets. Mr. Kapoor received his training as an actor in the theatre company, which of course was run by his late father, Mr. Prithviraj Kapoor. It was through theatre that, so this is a very momentous occasion where we honor this legend, this stalwart. Please, once again, do give a huge round of applause to this legend right here.